Applying to so many universities and keeping a track of their deadlines is a cumbersome process. So I'll be coming up with lot more videos like this wherein I'll alert you on the upcoming deadlines so that you don't miss it. But mind you, these are course specific deadlines. So for the courses you would want to apply, I'd advise you to go to their university website and check the deadlines on your own. Do a little research. Hello, welcome back to the channel. As I mentioned earlier, in today's video, I'm going to discuss about the upcoming deadlines and the universities and why you should apply to these universities. So the first one that I would like to start with is TU Kaiserslautern. That is the Technical University of Kaiserslautern. It is one of the 3 universities that was awarded Excellence University of Teaching, and it has a great support ratio of students to lecturers, which makes sure that you have great interactions with the professors and you get good advices from them. It also has an intensive collaboration with many renowned companies like BSF, Daimler, etc. And many research institutions are located nearby like the Fraunhofer, the Max Planck and the German Research Center for Artificial Intelligence, DFKI, etc. As a result, the curriculum of this university is heavily application focused and integrated with business research initiative, including master thesis and the internship. The application deadline of this university is April 30th and you have to apply through the university website. But make sure you hurry up because for this university you have to go through a pre-check for which you will have to pay something around 5,000 INR and it'll take a little bit of time for them to do the pre-check and let you know if you are eligible to apply for the course. The next university that I would like to talk about is the University of Saarland. It is one of the leading places for computer science in Germany and Europe according to the CS ranking. Like in TU Kaiserslautern, the University of Saarland is closer to many research institutions like the Max Planck Institute, which has, I think there are 2 Max Planck Institutes located near the University of Saarland. Then there is DFKI and the Center of Bioinformatics. All these avenues are open for you for a career in science and research. The deadline of this university is May 15th and like in TU Kaiserslautern, you have to apply through the university portal. Next comes TH Cole. TH Cole sees itself as a University of Technology, Arts and Sciences. It is a University of Applied Sciences as it is a Hochschule. The activities of this particular university are focused on cultural and technological innovations of high societal importance thanks to its disciplinary diversity and cultural openness. Automation and IT is one of the most sought after course in this particular university. For this particular university, you will have to apply through the UniAssist portal and the application deadline is April 30th. This particular deadline is for the course Automation and IT. For any other courses that you would want to know the deadline, you will have to go to the university portal and check for yourself. The 4th university in this list would be TU Dortmund. TU Dortmund is known for its innovation in physics, chemistry, electrical engineer and economics. It collaborates with many institutions all over the world in a number of ways at university level. The university is standing in the national and worldwide university and research scene is strengthened by its internationality. The most sought after degree of this particular university is Automation and Robotics, and the deadline for this particular course is May 15th. For this university, you will have to apply through the UniAssist portal, and for this university, they have mentioned in their website that you do not have to worry about the APS certificate during your application through the UniAssist. So make sure you're prepared with the rest of the documents. Mind you, the deadline that I mentioned is for this particular course only. For any other course that you would want to apply to, you will have to go to the website. Last but not the least, the 5th university is Frankfurt University of Applied Sciences. This university provides academically rigorous study programs that are practice oriented, which opens a wide range of possibility for desirable professions. It is one of the major cities in Germany, hence the lifestyle will be a little expensive, but there will be many escapes. You will, since it is an international city, you won't have to struggle through German language. And you can go through your life easily with just knowledge of English. Few of the courses that this university provides is high integrity systems and information technology, the 3-year term. And for both these courses, the application deadline is April 15th, so you have to hurry up and apply. For information regarding the details on how you have to apply through the UniAssist portal, I will link the video here and also put it in the description. You can visit. So in this video, I mentioned 5 universities and their upcoming deadlines. I'll be coming up with a lot more videos like this wherein I'll tell you all the deadlines and a few details about the university. So make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.